And we are back. Just to recap, we have filled up all the dinged up areas with some embossing paste, and then we've sanded it. And because we've sanded it, we have opened ourselves up for bleeding. What we are going to be doing to trap all of the oils and tannins into the wood here is we are going to be using Armour today. However, the right product to use is Block and Tackle, but we want to show you how versatile our Armour is. I'm going to be using Armour Matte today, and we are going to be giving it 3 coats. And then once it's cured and dried, it should be fine and there shouldn't be any bleeding, because we are going to be going with a lighter color with this dark wood. We're going to be using beach sand. So we'll take you through the process and just show you how fantastic our Armour product is. So I am using a brush for the Armour, but you can also use a sponge roller, whatever works for you. The wood is drinking this Armour. So I've done the first layer of Armour. I'm going to be leaving it for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to do another layer. So we're going to do 3 layers of Armour. I'm only covering the top here. The bottom piece we are going to be doing with Polka Carbon, which is a dark color. So we don't need to seal the bottom piece just yet. There won't be any bleeding there. Just a little interesting fact. Water-based, our Armour is water-based. It takes some time to cure. So we are going to be leaving this for about 3 days, but it still cures even after those 3 days. It's not like a solvent-based product like thinners or those other products where it evaporates. This one is water-based. It needs more time, so the curing process takes longer.